Hey guys, in this video I have some PR from Madam Glam. So this is their Pastel Haven collection and these are the Korean gels. I've never actually gotten to try them before. I have swatched them off camera and they are just the best formula ever. I love how they go on. They are a little bit on the sheerer side, however you can still get that one coat coverage. I will show you how they look. I'll also put the video of me swatching it somewhere on the side, but I'm super happy with this collection. The two glitters in here might just be my favorite. They are perfect as like a topper. I don't know, I love this collection. This might be one of my favorites, but let me get into showing you the colors. I'm going to show you the consistency. I'm going to at least try anyway. They're not too thick and they're not too thin, but they are a great consistency. So these are all the colors side by side. I did 2 coats for every swatch and I really like how they turned out. For the solid colors, I could have got away with 1 coat, but I always feel the need to do 2. The glitters did need 2 coats though. But let me know which one is your favorite color. If you guys are interested in this collection or anything else off of Madam Glam's website, I do have a discount code. I'll put it on the screen and I'll also put it in the description. But let's get into this nail set. To adhere my nails, I'm going to be using the Nail Couture Bubblegum Gel. This is probably my favorite way to adhere nails if I'm trying to do nails like really quickly. It just is so smooth and it's so simple. This is probably like one of the best things on the Nail Couture website. Actually, I tell a lie, there's so many great things on Nail Couture, but the bubblegum gels, oh, they're amazing. So I cut down the nails a little bit and then I also filed around the cuticle area just to make things look a little bit more cleaner. The 2 colors that I'm going to be using is Gentle Touch and Her Strength. I'm actually going to be painting them all with Gentle Touch and then I'm going to be using Her Strength as a topper. This is how 1 coat looks. I am going to do a 2nd coat because you can see my nail beds and I also did a terrible job on the middle finger. But yeah, I'm going to do a 2nd coat. Even though I am going to put the glitter on top, I think it will just look better if I do a 2nd coat anyway. is how it looks with 2 coats. Now I'm going to apply Her Strength to the rest of the nails. I did do my middle finger because I'm also filming for TikTok, but I'm going to apply it to the rest. This is how it looks with Her Strength on top. Although Her Strength is pink, you wouldn't even be able to tell, and I kind of like it over the gentle touch. I am going to do some of the hibiscus flowers. I've never done them before, and this was my practice nail, but I'm going to try and do them a lot better on my other fingernails. So to do the flower, you do these 3 little dots, and then you carry that on in a circle shape so that you can form the flower. Next, you take a fine brush. So I didn't realize how out of frame I was. When I was filming, I actually kept looking up at my display and I could have swore I was in frame, but apparently not. I don't know how it is this bad though. I could have swore you could at least see what I was doing, but I will show you the video that I was following so that you guys can see how to do it as well. The less paint you have on your brush, the better, because it makes like finer strokes, which kind of make the flower look a little bit more realistic. After that, you get your dotting tool and then you make a dot in the middle. Get your brush and then make a stem. And then you make these tiny dots by the stem. And then that's pretty much it. I'm probably gonna redo this one because I kind of rushed it because my battery's dying. But that's basically how you do it. I'm going to show it again so you can see it again. So I did the rest off camera because when I was recording it, it was coming out terrible. So I had to do the rest off cam. So I put some cuticle oil on and this is the finished result. I feel like inside it doesn't look that good, but outside I think it looks pretty cool. I'll go outside and take some pictures. It looks a lot better out there, but this is how they're looking. I feel like you don't get like the true shine of the glitter, but indoors they still look okay. I do need to practice on the hibiscus flowers. One thing about it is that I noticed as I kept doing it, it's kind of like it doesn't look so bad if they're imperfect. So it isn't that bad. But if you guys enjoyed this video, like, comment and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Also, thank you to Madam Glam for sending me over this collection. I'll see you in the next one.